Introducing the Tecno Camon 19 Neo. A sleek, stylish smartphone with impressive features. Ideal for tech enthusiasts seeking a reliable device from a trusted brand. Convert videos to megapixel 3 and edit through various themes with a professional shooting mode. Adjust exposure time, focus, sensitivity, and white balance with ease. With 0.8 large pixels, a 90.52% screen-to-body ratio and an LTPS display with full HD plus resolution. Captures stunning photos with its 48 megapixel rear camera and 32 megapixel front camera, featuring night video and lifelike colors, aided by memory fusion technology. Uncover and explore the invaluable customer ratings for the product, providing insightful feedback and opinions to guide your decision-making process. For further information, visit the product detail page.